Unraveling, give it a once-over, mastering English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting and useful phrase in the English language. Give it a once-over. Understanding such phrases can really polish your English communication skills. So, let's explore what it means, how to use it, and look at some examples together. Stay with us to become more fluent and confident in your English conversations. Give it a once-over is a phrase that means to look at or review something quickly without going into too much detail. It suggests a brief examination or check of something to ensure it is acceptable or to get a general idea about it. This phrase is often used in everyday English, in both professional and casual contexts. To better understand, give it a once-over, let's break it down. Give, in this context, means to carry out an action. It refers to the object or subject that is being reviewed or examined. A once-over means a single, quick review or examination. So, putting it all together, when someone asks you to give it a once-over, they are asking you to quickly review or check something. This phrase can be used in various situations, such as, before submitting a report or an assignment, you might give it a once-over to catch any glaring mistakes. When you're getting ready for an important meeting, you could give it a once-over to your presentation slides. Or, when buying a used car, you might give it a once-over before making a decision. Let's see how this phrase can be used in sentences. 1. Before we submit our project, let's give it a once-over to ensure there are no typos. 2. I gave the room a once-over before the guests arrived to make sure everything was in place. 3. Could you give this report a once-over? I want another pair of eyes on it before it goes out. Understanding and using phrases like, give it a once-over, can greatly enhance your ability to communicate effectively in English. It shows that you're not just familiar with the language's grammar and vocabulary but also with the nuances and expressions that native speakers use. We hope this video has been informative and has added a new phrase to your English toolkit. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to give this video a once-over anytime you need a refresher. See you in our next video.